Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jan the Waver, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you my view on what the economy and the financial markets will bring us in 2024. Now, overall, I see four themes lining up in 2024. The first one is I see a global economic recovery. I see a global economic recovery in China. I see one in the German economy will probably do quite well in 2024. So that means that Europe will recover. I see that emerging markets will also recover. The US will probably do okay, might even underperform a bit compared to the China, Europe, and emerging markets, but will probably do okay. So I do see a global economic recovery. After the last 1 or 2 years, financially it was okay, I mean financial markets wise, but the real economy has suffered a lot the last 2 years. So we'll feel the uplift in the global economy. This also means that sectors like industrials, commodities, cyclical, small and mid-cap value and specific growth stock stories are themes and sectors that will do well in 2024. Now, the second big theme is that I am on the back of this global economic recovery and a potential, structural inflation of 3-4%. I'm quite bullish on the commodity complex, meaning I'm very bullish on oil and gas. I'm bullish on the grains, and I'm bullish on the metals, silver, gold, copper. So that's a second theme that I'm very bullish on the commodities. The third theme, when it comes to the stock market, we have a potential of what I call a W figure. We'll start the year probably going lower as the market is overextended. And with the hype of AI cooling down and the big cap tech inflated stocks will probably come down this year. That's going to put pressure on the indexes coming out of the gate in January. So we can come down, then I think will recover, probably led by the sector I mentioned before, the new leaders, and not. So I'm more focused on the new leadership, and I think big cap tech will most likely will be not be the new leadership in 2024. So then the stock will go back up. Then April, May, June, we might have some sort of mid-year or the end of or beginning of spring crisis. Could be military related. Stock market could go back down. And then most likely the year will go up and will end the year higher. That's my global take on the stock market. And then the fourth theme is that I do expect and I do see more potential military conflicts. The Middle East looks very dangerous in 2024. Iran can get involved in the Israel conflict with Palestine, or other countries could get involved. So that could get quite messy in the Middle East. And there is also the potential of China-Taiwan exploding in 2024. So those are things that the military increase and military potential new conflicts is also a very high probability going into the year. So obviously when you have those factors, that makes the year more volatile. So timing will be very important. I also think stock picking will be important. Individual stocks will be also very important going into 2024.